Dr. Anuri, can you please tell us about what are the signs that a person can look for to know whether there's an abundance or a lack in vital forces or energy you're talking about?
Yeah.
Dr. Anuri, please.
When we talk about our master, I mean, the founder of our pathy, Dr. Henneman, he explained us that whenever our vital force or vital energy is in good or in 100% it is charged, then we feel mentally and physically very calm. Our all the body functions go on very clearly, like what we say in the physiological manner. So our mind also feel peaceful, and we feel we can fight against the infection or
Dr. Anuri, you muted yourself. Dr. Anuri, you are muted.
hello,
Yes, you got muted.
hello,
Yeah, you muted again. Yeah,
hello.
Dr. Anuri can speak. Yeah, please
Yeah.
speak.
So if it is said it acts in an unbounded way. So there is no restriction, nothing is there. So it works in a very harmonious way. So when we feel this, there is breakage in harmony, we feel stressed, we feel low in our life. So that means our body energy getting low. So this is a one of the sign ki whether our body or energy is low or high. So for that, what we can do, as we discussed earlier also in our session, ki there are so many things which help us to increase or enhance our energy. So those were again I am repeating, that is giving positive thinking. Or what we can do as we are at home now, we can help our family members, we can love them, we can give affection to them, and of course, most important thing is give value to ourselves, give positive energy and positive thoughts from our surroundings, not just to get the negativity what we get through the media or through so many news, we get just negativity. So this type of things low down our energy, and ultimately our body gets weakened and it is prone to so many diseases. So most of important thing is, as we talk about energy, it is not a physical thing that we can feed just the things. So energy needs the positive energy. So again, I am repeating, through the help of meditation, we can take those energy from the high source of energy, what we call the God, Supreme Soul, and that is ocean of positivity. We can take energy from Him, and this energy attracts the another energy. So this is what Dr. Dipanjali has very nicely explained. So this is all about what we can explain or what I can say. Thank you, Sister Payal.
Thank you, Dr. Anuri. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, we have our astrologer, Mr. Malik. Sister Nishu, viewers have come
Yes,
up.
Sister Payal.
One of them particularly, they want to know about the position of Taurus and the rest of the planets which have been left about. We can talk about them as to what would be the effect of job and career wise on a Taurus planet. There's a Taurus viewer who had asked this question to you. Sister
Okay,
Nishu.
sure, Sister Payal. That time is good for Taurus because Taurus sign, Lord's Venus is already in the sign of its one Taurus place. People will get new opportunities and in his life or business, and will plan for future and will get surely success. Invest money as fixed deposit because Rahu in second house, he can't keep liquid asset in his pocket. So he want to save money. If he want to save money, invest it in property or fixed deposit. That is for Venus.
Sister Nishu,
So now I will
I
explain
think
about
the
the
rest of the
rest
planets.
planets, that is Jupiter. Jupiter represents education, wisdom, wealth, happiness. The person under his influence will be lucky, religious, successful, with high moral values. Jupiter is consideration guru in Indian astrology. Numerologically, its number is 3. The other one is the role of moon. The positive moon indicates peace of mind, joyful life. While negative moon causes tension, depression, suicidal tendency, whatever affects the moon deeply affects our heart and emotions. For if you want to strong the moon, you have to do meditation daily, even for 1 hour in 24 hours, or either you give 1 hour daily to yourself. The other one is Mars. Mars is the element of fire. It recognized as defense minister in the solar system. Its numerological number is 9. Mars's ascendant makes the person look young. Positive Mars indicates administrative skills, determination in all fields. Negative causes aggression, anger, creates hurdles in life. The Mars is related to the police line, can go for police line and army if the Mars is strong. Strong Mars indicates a strong willpower in a person. The last planet is Ketu. Ketu is regarded as a point of difficult karma from his past life, where a person reaps the result of his selfish and egoist deeds of the past. On the other side of Ketu represents the tendency towards moksha and mastery of secret and mysterious knowledge. Ketu planet is known for spirituality. Positive Ketu brings a lot of luxury, wisdom, and intuition to a person. Negative Ketu causes unnecessary depression, poor concentration, worries, and anxiety, and ghost related problems. Thank you, Sister Payal.
Thank you, Sister Nishu. One more request have come up. Somebody is asking about the effects of the planets on Virgo. One has been wanting for Aries and Leo too. If you can, just throw one or two lines on it. Our viewers are requested this. Yes, Sister Nishu.
Virgo and Leo is a sign. The Virgo and Leo is sign, not a planet. Virgo related to the Marathi planet, and Leo is related to the sun. At present,
Okay,
sun
which you have
is
already spoken about. Yes, Sister
yeah.
Nishu.
Now I need to explain about sun planet or about Virgo sign.
Whatever it is, viewers have been asking questions that please ask about Virgo, about Aries, about Leo. What do you have to say to all of them? Like, it is actually not the sun sign, it's the planet, right? This is what you're saying.
Virgo and Virgo is a sign, not a planet. Virgo is related to the Mercury planet.
Yeah,
The
so
person who has
predictions
a
for
Virgo,
Mercury planet will work for them. Predictions for Mercury planet would be working for them, right?
I explained about Mercury again, that which type of persons sign. It relates to commerce, trade, banking, and computer. A strong Mercury will create a person communication skills strong. He can work in banking line as a trader, as a math teacher, businessman, and famous writer. The Mercury is strong, and if he is related to Virgo sign.
Okay. And how about Aries and Leo?
If the person related to Leo sign, the and Leo is related with sun sign with sun planet. If the person's sun is strong, he can go for government sector, and either in political sector, political line, he can go if the sun is strong. That will be more beneficial for him.
Okay, Sister Nishu. Any more? Or thank you so much.
Any other question, Sister Fire?
No, as of now, these are the requests which I received and very well responded by you. Thank you so much. And now, to sum it all up, today's webinar, we had been having views